What's up, guys? The Galaxy S24 Ultra is still a beast in 2026, but if you aren't using the right gear, you're leaving half of its potential on the table. From chargers that actually hit those top speeds to the newest MagSafe upgrades that make this phone way more functional, I've tested dozens of products over the last year. Today I'm breaking down the top 15 must-have accessories you need to protect, power, and supercharge your S24 Ultra experience. Let's dive in. On number 15 is Spigen for Galaxy S24 Ultra case. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid is a minimalist, crystal-clear case designed to protect the Galaxy S24 Ultra while fully displaying its premium titanium design. It features a durable polycarbonate back combined with a flexible TPU bumper, utilizing blue resin technology to delay the yellowing common in transparent cases. In real-life scenarios, the military-grade air cushion technology provides reliable drop protection in the corners, while the slim profile ensures full compatibility with S Pen use and wireless charging. Compared to the OtterBox Symmetry Clear, the Spigen version offers a much more affordable price and a thinner design, making it less intrusive in your pocket or hand. I recommend this for S24 Ultra owners who want an invisible layer of protection that doesn't compromise on durability or interfere with the phone's high-end features. On number 14 is Oterkin for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. The Oterkin heavy-duty case is a high-performance protective shield designed for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering 10FT military-grade drop protection through a shock-absorbing dual-layer build. It features a unique non-slip matte texture that is resistant to fingerprints, oil, and sweat, ensuring a secure grip for active users or those in demanding work environments. In real-life scenarios, the case effectively disperses impact force using reinforced corners and powerful airbags, while maintaining a relatively slim, pocket-friendly profile for a rugged case. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor, the Oterkin provides similar durability at a more budget-friendly price point, though it lacks a built-in kickstand for hands-free media viewing. I recommend this for outdoor enthusiasts and professional workers who need unshakable, everyday rugged protection and a non-slip feel without the extreme bulk of traditional armor cases. On number 13 is Pilaru for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. The Pilaru 3-in-1 is a comprehensive defense kit designed to provide fortress-like protection for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including a heavy-duty case and 2 HD screen protectors. It features an industrial-grade PC and TPU hybrid shell with a built-in sliding camera cover for lens privacy and a 360 degrees rotatable metal ring that serves as both a kickstand and a secure grip. In real-life scenarios, the reinforced corners and shock-proof bumpers handle significant drops with ease, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those in high-risk work environments. Compared to the OtterBox Defender series, the Pilaru offers a much more affordable, all-in-one package that includes camera protection out of the box, though it uses basic PET film protectors rather than premium glass. I recommend this for budget-conscious users or professionals who need maximum utility and physical security without the high cost of big-name brands. On number 12 is Ailun Glass Screen Protector for Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Ailun Screen Protector is a high-value defense bundle that provides edge-to-edge tempered glass for the 6.8-inch display, along with 3 dedicated camera lens protectors. It features an ultra-thin 0.25mm profile designed to maintain high-definition clarity and touchscreen accuracy, specifically engineered to support the device's ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. In real-life scenarios, the 9H hardness provides reliable anti-scratch protection while the oleophobic coating helps minimize fingerprints, though users are advised to re-register fingerprints after installation for optimal speed. Compared to the Spigen Glass .TR EZ Fit, Ailun offers a much more aggressive price point and twice the hardware, though it lacks the auto-alignment tray that makes Spigen's installation more foolproof. I recommend this for budget-conscious S24 Ultra owners and photography enthusiasts who want total device coverage and multiple backups without the high cost of premium brand names. On number 11 is WSKEN for S24 Ultra Camera Lens Protector. The WSKEN Lens Protector is a premium security accessory designed to shield the Galaxy S24 Ultra's advanced camera array without degrading its flagship photo and video quality. It features individual 9H tempered glass rings encased in space-grade aluminum, utilizing AR, anti-reflection technology to prevent fogging and light flares during flash photography. In real-life scenarios, the military-grade build provides robust impact protection, while the oleophobic coating keeps the lenses clean, ensuring the 200-megapixel sensor maintains maximum clarity. Compared to the Spigen Optic Pro, WSKEN offers a more durable aluminum rim and includes a specialized removal tool, providing better long-term utility for users who may want to swap protectors later. I recommend this for photography enthusiasts and professionals who want to protect their lenses from scratches and cracks while maintaining the phone's original high-end aesthetic. On number 10 is Vilive 45W Super Fast Charger. The Vilive 45W charger is a high-speed power adapter kit designed to enable super fast charging 2.0 for the latest Samsung flagships, including the Galaxy S24 and S25 Ultra. It features advanced PD 3.0 and PPS, programmable power supply, technology, allowing it to charge an Ultra series battery from 0% to 50% in approximately 20 minutes. In real-life scenarios, the standout feature is the included 10FT extra-long USB-C cable, which provides massive flexibility for charging your phone while lounging on a sofa or working at a large desk. Compared to the official Samsung 45W charger, Vilive offers a significantly more affordable price and triple the cable length, though it is slightly bulkier as it does not use GaN, gallium nitride technology. I recommend this for power users and students who need a reliable, long-reach charging solution that can handle both their smartphone and USB-C tablets or laptops with ease. On number 9 is ILOUYU wireless charger for Samsung. The ILOUYU wireless charger is a high-value, MagSafe-compatible 2-pack designed to provide effortless magnetic alignment for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Google Pixel 9, and other key-enabled devices. It features powerful N54 magnets that snap the phone into the optimal charging position every time, alongside an ultra-slim design that fits easily in any bag or workspace. In real-life scenarios, the 6FT extra-long cables provide much-needed flexibility for using your phone in bed or at a desk, while the built-in kickstand allows for hands-free viewing during charging. Compared to the official Apple MagSafe charger, this bundle offers significantly better value by providing 2 complete charging pads and much longer cables for a lower price point. I recommend this for multi-device households or anyone looking for a convenient, no-fumble charging solution that works across both Android and iPhone platforms without the premium brand cost. On number 8 is Bolvunes for Samsung 3-in-1 wireless. The Bolvunes charging station is a sleek, multi-device hub designed to simultaneously power your Samsung smartphone, Galaxy Watch, and Galaxy Buds in one organized space. It features a unique foldable T-plate architecture with a dual coil system, allowing you to charge your phone in either portrait or landscape mode while maintaining a clean, cable-free nightstand. In real-life scenarios, the station provides a stable 15W fast charge for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, utilizing integrated safety chips to prevent overheating and ensure your battery remains healthy over time. Compared to the official Samsung wireless charger trio, the Bolvunes model offers a more compact, travel-friendly footprint and a vertical stand that makes it much easier to view notifications while charging. I recommend this for Samsung ecosystem users and frequent travelers who need an all-in-one, highly portable charging solution that fits easily into a backpack or carry-on. On number 7 is INIU 45W portable charger. The INIU 45W portable charger is a high-capacity, travel-focused battery pack designed to provide multiple full charges for the newest iPhone 17 and Samsung S25 series. It features a unique, tiny-cell, high-density battery that makes it significantly smaller than traditional 20K banks, alongside a built-in USB-C cable that doubles as a durable carrying lanyard. In real-life scenarios, the 45W power delivery output can charge a flagship phone to 70% in roughly 25 minutes and even provides enough power to emergency charge a MacBook Air or iPad Pro. Compared to the Anker PowerCore 20K, which is often bulkier and requires carrying separate cables, the INIU model offers a more streamlined, grab-and-go experience at a much more aggressive price point. I recommend this for long-haul travelers, students, and commuters who need a week's worth of backup power in a pocketable form factor without the hassle of tangled cords. On number 6 is NEWDERY battery case for Samsung S24 Ultra. The NEWDERY battery case is a high-capacity power solution designed to provide up to 150% additional battery life for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. making it ideal for multi-day travel or intensive outdoor use. It features 18W fast recharging and Qi wireless compatibility, allowing you to charge both the case and the phone simultaneously while maintaining full support for NFC and Android Auto. In real-life scenarios, the massive 10,000 mAh capacity effectively eliminates low battery anxiety for heavy users, though its substantial weight and 1.1-inch thickness significantly increase the phone's footprint. Compared to the Zero Lemon 10,000 mAh case, the NEWDERY model offers better functional integration by supporting data sync and wireless charging, features that are often missing from Zero Lemon's ultra-rugged design. I recommend this for long-distance travelers and professionals in the field who prioritize extreme endurance and convenience over a slim, lightweight phone profile. On number 5 is Andobil 2026, upgraded for MagSafe car mount. The Andobil 2026 car mount is a heavy-duty magnetic holder specifically designed to secure oversized flagship phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Samsung S25 Ultra. It features an extra-large carbon fiber panel equipped with 23 powerful N55 magnets, providing a military-grade grip that can withstand extreme vibrations and off-road driving. In real-life scenarios, the double-locking vent clip prevents the mount from sagging or slipping, while the 360-degree ball joint allows for effortless switching between portrait and landscape modes. Compared to the Belkin MagSafe Vent Mount Pro, this Andobil model offers a much stronger magnetic connection and a larger surface area, though it has a more industrial, rugged aesthetic. I highly recommend this for commuters and road trippers who use large devices and need a stable, one-handed snap-and-go solution that won't fall. On number 4 is Quad Lock Stem Bike Mount. The Quad Lock Stem Cap Mount is a high-performance cycling accessory designed to center your Galaxy S24 Ultra directly over your bike's headset for an aerodynamic and unobstructed view of your navigation. It features a premium CNC machined aluminum build with a reversible, hinged head that allows you to adjust the viewing angle between to suit your specific riding posture and bike geometry. In real-life scenarios, the patented dual-stage locking mechanism ensures the phone remains completely secure on high-vibration surfaces like gravel or mountain trails, providing a mechanical lock that magnets alone cannot match. The included Mag Series case enhances the experience by adding magnetic alignment, making it much easier to guide the phone into the locking position while you are focused on the road or trail ahead. Compared to the Peak Design out-front mount, the Quad Lock Stem Cap version saves significant handlebar space and offers a more central, integrated look, though it does require a more specific installation process on the bike's stem. I recommend this for serious cyclists, gravel riders, and mountain bikers who demand an ultra-stable mounting solution that keeps their handlebars clear for other gear like lights or cycle computers. On number 3 is TopMade MagSafe Wallet for S24 Ultra. The TopMade magnetic wallet is a minimalist storage solution designed to attach securely to the back of the Samsung Galaxy S25 S24 series, Z Fold 7, or iPhone 16 using high-strength magnets. It features a high-capacity design that fits up to 4 cards and utilizes RFID blocking technology to protect your digital information from unauthorized scans. In real-life scenarios, the wallet provides a secure, locked-in feel with a 4.4 lb magnetic pull, while the integrated thumb slot makes retrieving cards quick and easy during transactions. Compared to the official Apple MagSafe wallet, the TopMade version offers a stronger magnetic grip and holds an extra card, providing better utility at a much more accessible price point. The build quality consists of premium PU leather that maintains a slim profile, making it an excellent choice for those who want to ditch their bulky traditional wallet for quick errands or travel. I recommend this for users who prioritize security and high card capacity in a slim, magnetic form factor that doesn't compromise on style. On number 2 is PASNEW Wallet Case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The PASNEW Wallet Case is a professional-grade executive accessory designed to combine a shockproof phone shell with the utility of a traditional wallet for the 6.8-inch S24 Ultra. It features a high-quality faux leather exterior with a built-in RFID shielding compartment that holds up to 3 cards, protecting your digital data from unauthorized scans. In real-life scenarios, the case provides robust drop protection through its TPU bumper system, while the magnetic flap doubles as a horizontal kickstand for hands-free video viewing. A unique aspect is its MagSafe compatibility. However, the internal magnets can occasionally cause minor dead spots or sensitivity issues with the S Pen in specific areas of the screen. Compared to the Spigen Slim Armor CS, the PASNEW case offers a much more elegant, premium look and magnetic versatility, whereas the Spigen relies on a purely mechanical plastic sliding door. I recommend this for business professionals and commuters who want a sleek, all-in-one carry solution and value the ability to use magnetic accessories without a bulky attachment. On number 1 is Spigen MagSafe Wallet for S24 Ultra. The Spigen Urban Fit. MagFit is a sleek, modern card holder designed to combine minimalist storage with a premium textile feel for the latest flagship smartphones, like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 17. It features a durable, scratch-resistant nylon fabric exterior and a unique spider web, non-slip internal pattern that ensures up to 3 cards remain securely in place even during active movement. In real-life scenarios, the powerful N52 magnets provide a robust 16N attachment force, keeping the wallet firmly locked to your phone while sliding it into tight pockets, yet allowing for easy removal when wireless charging is needed. The build quality is signature Spigen, offering a slim profile that adds minimal bulk, while the integrated push-to-access cutout at the bottom makes retrieving your ID or credit cards a quick, one-handed operation. Compared to the ESR Halo Lock wallet, the Spigen Urban Fit prioritizes a sophisticated, fabric-first aesthetic and maximum slimness, whereas the ESR model often includes a built-in kickstand that increases the overall thickness. I recommend this for urban commuters and professionals who want a reliable, non-leather alternative for their essential cards that maintains a high-end, tactile grip without the bulk of a traditional wallet. So, those are my top 15 picks for the S24 Ultra in 2026. Whether you're a power user or just want to keep that titanium frame mint, there's something on this list for everyone. I've dropped the links to all these accessories in the description below so you can check the latest prices. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Galaxy deep dives. Let me know in the comments, what's the one accessory you can't live without? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.